2020 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 61,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as 4-wheel drive, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.